All right, everybody, let's get our daily financial news for Friday, July 18th, 2025. The market hit new highs today, crypto relaxed, and we have a chip ETF trade alert. Here's your 2-minute breakdown. U.S. markets just hit fresh record highs as retail sales, jobless claims, and GDP growth all surprised to the upside. All eyes now turn to the Fed meeting in September to see if rates are going to stay the same or if Powell is willing to cut. Also, this story was interesting. So Netflix has a Q2 earnings beat. They lift 2025 guidance. And what happens to the stock price? It goes down 4%. Meanwhile, American Express jumped 2%, and Union Pacific, there's some merger buzz about them acquiring Norfolk Southern, boosting all rail stocks around 5%. Bitcoin was relaxing today. It was sort of quiet around $117,000, $118,000. There's still plenty of hope and optimism around all the legislation going around, the Genius Act, and still plenty of room to run. Watch for a move past 120,000 once we get all the regulatory clarity. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, consumer goods and credit-heavy names like American Express are riding momentum, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I would add. I would be cautious. They might be slightly overvalued after a quick run up these past few weeks. I would hold. Also, tech streaming Netflix lost 4% today, went down 4% after a Q2 earnings beat. This is a perfect opportunity to buy the dip. Let's take advantage of the pullback and buy some Netflix. Also, the crypto stability shows long-term institutional calm. It's not time to panic, sell, or anything like that. There's plenty of room to run, and it's just becoming more and more mainstream. I'm continuing to accumulate, as you all know. Now for the options trade of the day. We're going to use a small tech company called TeraWulf. The symbol is WULF. This is a Bitcoin mining company. Its beta is over 4, so the swings are pretty impressive. So we're going to do a long straddle at $5 at a premium of $1.18. So this means that we're going to make money above $6.18 or below $3.82. The stock price is currently roughly $5.15. It may seem like a way to go to make money, but after watching this stock for many months, the swings are large, and I'm very confident that we'll make a small profit with this long straddle. To recap, we hit record highs today, briefly. We have solid consumer strength. Netflix wobbles. Bitcoin and crypto chills out, relaxes, and we have a trade on a small Bitcoin mining company for a little action over the weekend. Remember to hit like, market breakdowns, and trade ideas, and please drop your ticker suggestions in the comments. Thank you so much.